Today we're making white bean chicken chili. Personally, this is one of my favorites, even though it rarely gets below 70 here in South Florida.
And we found a way to make it a little bit healthier by cutting some of the heavy whipping cream and adding some plain Greek yogurt.
Let's make it.
Okay. Here it is, guys, our white bean chicken chili. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add a little heat by putting some jalapenos in there while you're cooking it.
For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.